Hello, Lulu.
Oh.
It's snowing here in the North Pole, and I was afraid I might have trouble reaching you all the way there in the United States. My point is,
How do you know me?
I don't know.
weather conditions. My elves worked extremely hard in order to build a machine that knows who's been naughty or nice. So I'll know if I should bring you Christmas presents from right here in the North Pole to your part of the world, in Washington. So, come on in.
He knows where we live.
Now let's take a look at your file. I hope you've been a good little girl since last Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, here we are. Right now, you are 3 years old. Is that right?
I already know.
And you go to school.
You do, don't you?
Now, let's see what kind of year you had.
I have years ago.
I see you had an amazing vacation last summer.
Oh.
That's me.
Uh-huh.
And what a day that was.
What are you doing in that picture? You're riding a horsey.
Told me that this year you have been asked to try
Did you see Elsie?
to always be nice to your sister.
Oh.
Santa knows that there's a special gift that you have been hoping for,
I know.
like a certain Barbie.
Oh, you want a certain Barbie too, huh?
Think you've been nice enough? I guess it's time to use my very special machine. Lulu, my elves will check if you're on the good girl list. Hello?
Are you on the good girl list, Lulu?
Hello? Go check the file, please.
Let's find out.
I know.
Are you on the good girl list? I think so too. Let's see.
I think so too. That's me.
That is you, isn't it? No. Oh, get
Wonderful! You're on the nice list.
Yay!
I'm very proud of you for being such a good girl. Santa will see you soon. Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Can you see it again? Who sent you a message?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus? Oh my goodness.
Can we say some more?
See some more?
Uh-huh.
Sure.